Oh, that poor son of a bitch is getting pelted by nickel-sized hail. Ooh, I just got hit in the elbow. Oh. That was another one. I typically don't even get rain in my balcony area, and I just get hit with hail. Covered up my flowers so they don't get too damaged by the hail. Seriously, 5 minutes ago I was in the pool. There's another poor son of a bitch running. Oh, hurry up! Don't let it blow your door off! Woo! Big lightning! Somebody taking shelter from the storm. Still hailing, you can see the hail. Look at that torrential rain coming down, man. Minnesota don't fool around. Woo! Holy. I actually water that tree on several occasions just to make sure it's getting some water. My poor baby's getting hit by the wind. So I was trying to put some more protection over my plants because it was sliding off the railing. Oh, it's going off the rails on the crazy train, right? There's still a little bit of hail coming down. Kind of like it comes through in waves. Your lips move, but I can't hear what you say. I have become comfortably numb. When I was swimming, about 10 minutes ago now, I was drinking water. My dog is in the bathroom hiding in the shower right now. My poor little tree. And the other poor little tree. So I'm guessing it's been raining for about 12 to 15 minutes now. And when it started coming down, this is how it started coming down. It didn't start with a little bit of sprinkle. This is what came down. Okay, I'm done.